everyone, I am here today with Bhavra Man tutorial video for you all. We have been receiving so much of love in last 3 days for the last video of ours that was performed by my little cutie pie and myself. Here we are with Bhavra Man tutorial video for all the dancers, for all the non-dancers and all the beginners who would love to learn this choreography staying at home in this pandemic. Here we go. Let's start with the first step. Slide, bend and take your position for the dance. Once the lyrics start, we will learn on my counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, position and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, bend, position. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. Very simple. When you are behind, when the word chala comes, we are going to walk. 1, 2 and open. Now before you open, you have to say ek. So walk with your fingers, say ek and open and slide with your first beginning position. Okay, once again, 5, 6, 7, go. Let's start from the first step. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. This we will repeat twice. Last revision with me and then we will do it on the music. First on my counts, then on music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try this on music.
बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना.
There are very less leg movements in this first part of the video. First, we are just sliding and bending. All the steps are to be done in this position. We only walk during chala ek sapna. We come back to this position. So see, बावरा मन देखने. No, we will not move. We are here. देखने चला एक सपना. So the leg movements are slide, wait there, do the movements, walk 1, 2 and again slide till sapna the second time. So we do the whole thing twice. 5, 6, 7, go. Slide. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. Now we will go ahead. बावरी सी मन की देखो. So first let's learn the hand movements, then we will learn the leg movements, so it becomes more easier for us to go ahead. 5, 6, 7, go. Bavari si. Just take your hand, show me 1, turn, turn, turn. 1 is down, 2 is in the center, 3 is up. Bavari si. Re si is very fast, so you can't go with the pace 1, 2, 3. You can't go like that. You have to practice 1, 2, 3. When you practice, please practice it like this. 1, 2, 3. Bavari si monkey, monkey. So take your hands like this, straight. Pull a string towards your center. Monkey, dekho. What is dekho? Bavari si monkey, dekho. Now when you open dekho, from here your hand will be straight. Dekho. Okay? 5, 6, 7 go. Bavari si monkey, देखो बावरी है बातें. One more time with me. 5, 6. Only the hand movements. It becomes very easy when we learn the hand movements, memorize the steps, and then go ahead to learn the leg movements. So we will do that exactly. 5, 6, 7 go. बावरी सी monkey देखो बावरी है बातें. Let's learn the hand movements correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 1, 2. What is this? Both the hands, just show me 1. Keep your left hand like this and turn it over with your right hand. 1, 1, 2. Okay? Let's go again. 5, 6, 7 go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very simple. Just join your first 2 fingers with your thumb and you go 1, 2. Take your hands inside 1, 2 and outside 3, 4. Okay? Let's do the hand movements once again. 5, 6, 7 go. Bavari si monkey dekho bavari hai bateं. Let's try these hand movements on music.
बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरी सी मन की देखो बावरी है बातें.
I hope you all did the hand movements. Now let's move on to the leg movements. This was our last position after the first sequence. Now we go on to Bavari si monkey dekho. Okay, so here we just cross our leg. Bavari si monkey. When we do monkey, the way our hand is coming back, our right leg will go back. Right and left leg will join. Once again, cross, take your right leg back and cross with your left leg. Again, cross, take your right leg back and keep the left leg next to it. This is your last position. Bavari si monkey dekho. Dekho does not have a leg movement. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bavari si monkey dekho. Dekho. Now next is Bavari hai bateं. So how do we go there? From here. Move forward. Take your left leg in front and your body little bit in forward. 5, 6, 7 go. Bavari hai. Now After taking my left leg forward, after I finish one circle here, I take my right leg forward and transfer my body weight on my right leg and my left leg is behind. Once again, just see it just goes 1, 2, 3. 3 is a bend. Again, 5, 6, 7, go with the hands. Bawari hai, I'm standing. Bate, for bate, I come behind from with my left leg. So I go back and join with right leg. Again, bate, bate, I came behind and now I'll go in front with my left leg again. 1, 2 and join with right. Okay? Once again, leg movements. First, let me just show you all the leg movements. बावरी सी मन की देखो, बावरी है बातें तारा. Okay, let's try this with hand movements. 5, 6, 7, go. Take your position. बावरी सी मन की देखो, बावरी है बातें. Those who cannot move ahead for बातें, even if you do it from here, बातें, you can just stand here. If you don't want to go ahead, that's okay. Let's do it on music from beginning till here.
बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरी सी मन की देखो, बावरी है बातें.
So this was our last position. Let's move ahead. 1, 2, 3. Same way, we will just learn the hand movements first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं. It goes a little faster. Just take your hand and flap, 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 flap. The last flap goes with your head as well. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं, है. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं, बावरी है सांसें. From here, you travel towards your right. Bavari. Hai is just a circle with your head. Once again, from here, travel. Now, only with your head, you take a circle. And then, you put your left hand behind, right hand over your chest, and you go 1, 2. Very simple. Move your hand 1, 2. Once again, just learn 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. When we count like this, it's a little confusing. So, we will say the song, we will sing the song and learn it to make it little faster. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं, बावरी है सांसें. It becomes very, very easy if you learn the song and then learn the steps. 5, 6, 7, go. Bavari si. I've started with my leg movement now. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं. Now when I'm doing धड़कने हैं, I'm just shifting my weight from one side to the other, from left to right, from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So it goes बावरी सी धड़कने हैं है. Next, बावरी. Your legs are joined, and then you take a circle with your head and go सांसें. Let's try this on music now.
बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरी सी मन की देखो बावरी है बातें. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं. बावरी है सांसें.
Now, let's go ahead. This was the last step. Next, बावरी सी करवटे हैं निंदिया दूर भागे. It's okay if the lyrics are up and down. You just need to know the tune. So after we finish from here, सांसें, we keep both the hands behind and we take left shoulder turn. Left shoulder turn. 5, 6, 7, go. बावरी सी na na na. Okay? 3 turns. 4 turns. If you can't take 4 turns, you can take 2. 5, 6, 7, go. बावरी सी करवटे हैं निंदिया दूर भागे. In the video that we have done, there are few steps that I'm doing it, there are few steps that my little cutie pie is doing it. So, I've made a combination of y'all if you are performing solo. 5, 6, 7, go. Keep your hands behind. बावरी सी करवटे हैं निंदिया दूर भागे. When you do bhage, your right leg is in front. You cross. Nindiya, the same position. Nindiya dur bhage. Okay? Let's try this on music.
बावरी सी धड़कने हैं. बावरी है सांसें. बावरी सी करवटों से निंदिया दूर भागे.
Now, let's go ahead. निंदिया दूर भागे बावरे से नैन चाहे. The next line. So we go बावरे से नैन चाहे. Very simple. Once again, let's add on this also here. 5, 6, 7, go. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just learn the hand movements. Right, left, open, left. Both together, open, stop. When you stop, you just go, your right hand goes down. Only the hand movements. बावरे से नैन चाहे तक. Let's make it a little faster. Chahe. I want he over here. So we can go bav, bav, re se nain chahe. Once again, bav re se nain chahe. One last time, bav re se nain chahe. So to be very precise, we will have बावरे से नैन चा. Cha is an opening, hai is here. 5, 6, 7 go. बावरे से नैन चाहे. Next. बावरे झरोकों से. So from here, just take your hand. Leg movements I'll teach you later. Just take your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your left hand on your waist, right hand. झरोकों से. 5, 6, 7 go from here. बावरे झरोकों से is a turn, half turn. Once again, if you can do it, nothing like it. If you can't turn, then we will avoid the turn. I'll show you how. First, we will go बावरे झरोकों से. Turn. If you can't turn, you can avoid the turn. बावरे झरोकों से. Here only. No need to turn. And the next step remains the same for everybody. But if you turn, it gives a little bit of air to your step. 5, 6, 7 go. बावरे झरोकों से. Next. बावरे नजारों को. Once again, right hand. First, just learn the hand movements. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Again, right, left, right, left. When you do this, just slide your hand down with little bit of neck movements to make it look more beautiful. So we will go right, left, right, left. And the last step will be takna. Okay? Once again, from here. बावरे झरोकों से. बावरे नजारों को takna. Okay? Now let's learn the leg movements. Last step was here. And we go बावरे. You can just dip. बावरे झरोकों. झरोकों, I'm just stamping here and slide your leg here. Stamp and slide your leg towards your right leg. Slide your left leg towards your right leg. Slide it inside, not outside. 5, 6, 7 go. बावरे झरोकों. And we will turn से. Now when we are doing झरोकों से, we slide. How? Tap, slide, and turn. This half turn is with right shoulder turn. Okay? So we go बावरे झरोकों से. Next, hands, very simple. I already taught you all. बावरे is just right hand down. Now left hand down. When one hand is down, the other hand goes up. And your legs will go right, left. Once again, right, your body is behind. Keep that leg and move your left leg ahead. You have to think that you're traveling ahead. So you go right, keep, left, keep. But when you're dancing, it goes 1, 2. Okay, let's do it with the hands. बावरे नजारों से or नजारों को. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 4 and ko is point. Point on your right. Your right. Okay. So it's opposite. You can do this also, but we are already doing this. Nazaro ko. takna. When we do takna, you will again take your right hand. So it's very easy, right, left, all the time for the last sequence. Once again, बावरे झरोखों से बावरे नजारों को तकना. Just stare. And all the steps in the beginning that we did, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. Same thing repeats here. Let's start with music. Not from the beginning. First we will do the last part on music and then we will revise the whole dance twice. First, revision of the last movement on music.
बावरे से नैन चाहे बावरे झरोखों से बावरे नजारों को तकना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना.
So before we do the whole choreography, before we do the revision of the whole choreography, there are few points that you will remember. You will not wait for the lyrics to come. Once we finish, Bhavana na chahe Bavare Jharokho se. Now say, you do not wait. Immediately start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to remember that we cannot go before the lyrics, nor we can go after the lyrics. We have to be in sync. So do not wait for the lyrics to come or else you will go late with the music. So for that, we have to remember, we have to memorize all the steps before we start dancing. So now I'm going to give you one small video only with the hand movements and then combination of both, the revision of entire dance.
बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. बावरी सी मन की देखो बावरी है बातें. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं बावरी है सांसें. बावरी सी करवटों से निंदिया दूर भागे. बावरे से नैन चाहे बावरे झरोखों से बावरे नजारों को तकना. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना. 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 बावरी सी मन की देखो बावरी है बातें. बावरी सी धड़कने हैं बावरी है सांसें. बावरी सी करवटों से